Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22, Excel Chapter 7 ML2 employees. In its project description, you work for a clothing distributor that has location in Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin. You will use the data and logical function to complete the main employee dataset and use database function to calculate key summary, statistics and create a map and use financial function to complete a loan amortization table. In its first step, he is saying that start Excel, then download and open file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 implies. The reader has automatically added your last name to the first beginning of the file name. I have opened this file, that's our file. We will move to our second step, and if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or any other subject like you need help in Canvas course, Pearson course, or Cengage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the QR code which is given at the start of the video or at the end of the video. We will move now to the second step. Our second step is column D contain the city each employee work in. You want to display the state. Make sure the data worksheet is active. So our data worksheet is active. What is saying in cell G7 insert a switch function to evaluate the city stored in the cell D7. So we will go to the cell G7. Here we will put switch function. We will start our bracket which is start the city in the cell D7 and what is the value must be. Insert the function to evaluate the city in the D7. In this sequence switch Des Moines to we will copy this. Des Moines for lava. So we will put this one in the what is the our result must be lava. We will make it absolute reference. And what is the second one? ST pole for we will put this one ST pole as a for Minnesota. We will make it also a absolute reference. Third one Milwaukee for Wisconsin. Copy this. Wisconsin. Make this one also absolute reference. And now close the bracket and press enter. So we have got our result ST pole for Minnesota. And what he is saying, use the mixed references to for the state names. So its range in the A2 to A4. We have range the uses the A2 to A4. What is he saying? Copy the function from the cell G7 to the range G8 to G31. So we will copy this to up to G31. We will go downside like that. We have got our results. That's our second step. We will move to our third step. Column C contains the actual hire date for the employees. You want to extract the only the year. In the H7, insert a year function to extract the year from the hire date in the cell C7. So we will go to the cell H7. Here we will put year function. start our bracket, and what from where we will get our number, serial number from the higher date in the cell C7. So we will go to the higher date C7 and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got the year hired. Copy the function from the H7 to the range H8 to H31. So we will go to copy and move this one to H31. So we will get the result of every employee. That's our third step. Our fourth step is in the cell I7, insert a year frac function to calculate the years between the first employee hire date and the last of day of the year contained in the cell C2. So we will go to the I7, that is our cell I7. We will put year frac function. What is the start date? Start date is the hire date. Hire date, where is the hire date? That is the hire date in the cell C7. And what is the end date? End date is the last day of the year contained in the cell C2. That is the cell C2. We will make it absolute reference. And what he is saying in the sort of to calculate the year between the first and contained in this, use the mixed and to differences approximately. So we will use this one and we will close this one and press enter. So we will get our results. Copy the function from cell I7 to the range I8 to I31. So we will copy this one to I31. In this way we have got the years of employment. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is you want to determine what day of the week each employee was hired. In the cell J7, insert the weekday function to display the day of the week for the first employee hire date. So we will go to the J7 cell, that is our cell J7. We will put weekday function, start our bracket, and what is our serial number, hire date, and the we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got the hire day as a 6 day. Copy the function from J7 to J8 and J31. So we will copy this one up to J31. So we have got result our in this column. That's our fifth step. We will move to our sixth step. The value returned in the J7 to J31 are a whole number. You want to display the result in the actual weekday names. Format the range J7 to J31 as a custom number with the DDD format. So we will press Ctrl plus 1. We will go to the custom number and here in the general we will type D and we will OK. So we have got the hire day name also in the, that's our seventh step. Sixth step, we have total 21 steps of this assignment. I have performed 6 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video update. Thank you.